Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam, and these are 4 Loropetalum from the Southern Living Plant Collection. I thought I could cover them all in 2 minutes. The one over here on this side is Purple Pixie. It is the lowest growing Loropetalum there is. Look at this thing. It actually weeps down over the container. This is a great container plant. I've got one at my house in a container. It's just weeping down over the edge of it. This is Purple Daydream right here. This may be my favorite of the 4. It's one that's only going to get about 2 to 3 feet in height, and also has a similar weeping habit. It doesn't just crawl right over the edge of the pot, but as you can see, most of the growth is going outward and not upward, which is a really, really nice feature. The next one right here is called Red Diamond, and Red Diamond has the reddest flowers of any of the Loropetalum varieties, and it's also a compact grower. It only gets about 6 by 6, which is smaller than older varieties of purple foliage Loropetalum by far, and it really is super maintainable in this very dense habit here. Great screening plant if you don't need a super tall plant. And then right here, this is Purple Diamond. Purple Diamond has the more traditional hot pink flowers. This variety will get a little bit larger, maybe in the 6 to 8 foot range. Another great screening plant. All of these Loropetalum are evergreen, or ever purple in this case. They have this purple foliage. They're insect resistant, disease resistant, pretty much deer proof. But there's one for any size that you're looking for. They like moist, well-drained soil, so mound them up a little bit in clay soils. They're salt tolerant. They work well in coastal communities. You can prune them after they flower in the spring. They're in the witch hazel family, and they have these little traditionally pink frilly flowers on them. Like I say, Red Diamond has red flowers on it. But you can prune them if you need to at that time, and any time really up through midsummer. Typically they will repeat flower in the fall again, and put on, not as showy, but put on another show in the fall. And then it's just nice to have these purple foliage plants year round. They look great with any other, especially variegated foliage things like the dwarf variegated abelia from the Southern Living Plant Collection, like Miss Lemon, looks great with any of these. And like I say, they're hardy in zone 7 to 10. Those of you in zone 7A, if you're planting Loropetalum, you might consider spring planting them and give them a full season to establish themselves. But even if they get stung in the wintertime, they come right back out of it. They're very fast growing and kind of easy to reset if they ever get out of control. You can go after them pretty hard if you need to. Thank you very much for watching this video.